So we are Field AI, and we're here at Robo Business 2024 showcasing our embedded AI autonomy software, which integrates onto any type of mobile robot and turns it into a fully autonomous vehicle. So our AI stack can turn normal mobile robots of any kind, a quadruped, a humanoid, a drone, a wheeled vehicle, and enable it to operate fully autonomously in unmanned and unknown environments with no GPS, no pre-planned trajectories or any type of pre-mapping that needs to be done for the robot to be able to navigate that environment. Our AI software enables that autonomy and allows the robot to be deployed more quickly and to be scaled more quickly than ever before. So it can work at a variety of inspection tasks through construction, oil and gas, mining, really any environment that is unknown and highly dynamic, that challenges traditionally programmed robots to be able to deploy in. Our robot is overcoming all of those limitations and allows customers to finally utilize robots in the way that they were always intended to be used.
Hello, I'm with THK. You see our booth here. THK is the largest linear bearing manufacturer in the world. Our linear guides, our ball screws, and our other rotary products. We're here at the Robot Show today, and we do a lot of work with the different robotic companies. You'll see our joints and our products go into the robots. We're also very large in aerospace, machine tools, and medical industries. So we're a very large company. Actually, we're the largest bearing manufacturer in the world.
Hi, we are Rati Motors. We make AMRs that are autonomous tuggers. This guy here, it can pull 1 ton. We have like a bigger version of this which can do 3 tons, which is close to 6,600 pounds. A differentiator for us is that we can do outdoors. We can take on rains, a little bit of snow, ramps, gradients, speed breakers, tough flooring conditions. So that's like our USP. What we do, the way we do it is like we use 3D LiDAR technology. So that way the robot sees the world in 3D, processes in 3D. And we have like a swappable battery, so the robots never go down. People can swap the battery at the end of the shift. We focus primarily on automotives and factories, manufacturing industries primarily. Our customers include Airbus, Harley Davidson, Valeo, Cummins, Schneider, and so on in the US. We have over 140 robots deployed in 5 countries.
Hey, this is CJ from MICROPSI Industries. We have Mirai here, which is our AI-driven software that helps the robots be able to handle the last millimeters of motion when the parts aren't perfectly fixtured. So we've got an application here that's showing off parts that aren't perfectly aligned inside of this fixture. The AI vision system is able to align the gripper fingers to that and then be able to align itself with the cable here as well. And it's moving at 15 frames a second, so you're actually getting real-time feedback for the gripper fingers, and then it's able to understand how it's gripped the part and be able to align itself to the port as well. So a lot of different types of applications in the electronics manufacturing space, dealing with cables and wires, and really anything where a robot is going to need any sort of help with placing its end effector in the correct position.
Hi, I'm Skylar Cullen, CEO of Summer Robotics. We're developing low-latency robotic vision solutions. Our software is 10x faster at responding to changes in the environment. It allows us to mount our vision solutions on robot arms to perform very important tasks in industrial automation like tool tracking, measurement, grasping. We have many customers coming by asking for applications across the board, whether it's AMRs with arms that need to grab objects off shelves, or companies that want to go into an automotive assembly line and then bolt bolts onto vehicles while on the moving assembly line. The technology is based on novel sensors called event sensors. These act like digital retinas, and then we create a sparse structured signal out of lasers to actually stimulate these event sensors, and we generate the 3D with just 5 milliseconds delay from when the photon came in. This is like I said, a 10x improvement over traditional sensors using frame-based processing techniques.
So I'd love to tell you a little bit more about Robust AI and what we're doing here. This was a fantastic show for us. We chose Robo Business to be the event where we launched our new product, Carter Pro. And this is Carter Pro behind me. It's a new type of robot that is built to be fully autonomous and truly collaborative. And to make the robot truly collaborative, we've done a few things, but the most noteworthy is how you can interact with the robot. You can literally interact with this robot by physically moving it around. So Carter has a built-in force sensing handle that with very little effort allows a person to move the robot at any point, and that allows the autonomy features to be able to be used whenever that makes sense, but it gives people agency over the robot at any point. So as I mentioned, completely autonomous robot. It can move on its own or do whatever you need it to do, but it's also aware of people in the environment and is safe around people. So let's say the robot was driving toward me. It'll detect me and stop in time. If I'm out of the way, the robot will continue doing whatever it's supposed to do. And that allows the robot to be autonomous when it needs to be, or collaborative when that's the thing that makes the most sense.